In this video, we'll show you how to start making smart websites powered by AI in less than 10 minutes. This is amazing. I just put a prompt, that's it. Look at that. Professional services, emergency, oh my God, this is so good. And if you're wondering who the heck this guy is, my name is Vicente Cabrera. I've done multiple websites, I've done many websites for other people, and it's stunning to see how fast the market of websites is changing. Because right now, you can do websites in less than 10 minutes and sell it for thousands of dollars. Today's video is gonna go pretty quick. I'm gonna show you the software, the prompt, and the result. As simple as that. Alright guys, so we got three main softwares for making websites pretty quick. First, we got Bolt. Second, we got Lovable. And there's another one who just got released. It's called Firebase Studio. It's from Google. This video, I'm gonna focus on Lovable, alright? So we will need to just search Lovable, and it's this one. Go over here and it says, build something lovable. Idea to app in seconds with your personal full stack engineer, right? Okay, let's get a nice prompt first. So let's go pretty quick to ChatGPT and let's ask it if it can generate a nice prompt. Because if you have been watching this video, sometimes if you're not getting the right results with AI, it's not the AI's fault, it's probably your fault because your prompt might suck. And the easiest way to fix that is just go to ChatGPT and ask him like, hey, can you give me an actually good prompt? So we're gonna do this. Make an amazing prompt that I will put in lovable.ai. It's AI, lovable.dev to create a beautiful website. My client is going to be a plumbing company with 10 years of experience, but they don't have any digital presence. All right, so we just generate the prompt. It's gonna, look at that. I mean, that prompt will be way better than the prompt you will make, the prompt I will make, because I'm actually pretty bad at prompting, but ChatGPT is awesome. So we just ask ChatGPT to do that. We just copy this whole thing. Once you sign up, you will need to put the prompt over here, and as simple as that, you can see here other designs people made, but just put send, and it will be sending like a ChatGPT in prompt, and this thing is gonna create the whole website. You're gonna see it. It will be awesome. Like, you got no idea. Time ago, 5-10 years ago, I started like doing websites 5 years ago. It was such a pain in the ass because you need to start coding stuff like old school. Right now, you got ChatGPT who does the whole code. You got Lovable, who is like a full website creation without any code, which is amazing. And I don't know what to expect from the website industry, from the website market in the future, because I feel it's gonna be pretty saturated. I think right now there's a stat I saw, like here in the United States, and around 35% of businesses do not have a website. That's a lot of people. But now making websites is getting so easy that I feel it's gonna get pretty saturated. So there is opportunity because you can literally make this whole thing in less than, I mean, this is gonna just be a first draft, but if you put it in work, maybe 10 hours of work for a whole website you can sell for 5,000, 10,000 if you make it good. That's pretty damn good. But what I expect from this market is it's gonna get pretty competitive. It's gonna get pretty saturated because people, like now, people are gonna be able to make websites like right now, 2025, almost May. It's really good. Like, it's really fucking good. It will get amazing. Like, in a couple months, Like just imagine December 2025. Wow, that's gonna be awesome to see. All right, I'm just gonna wait until this thing is done, and I'm gonna show it to you. Sounds good? Actually, while this like website is still creating, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna show you the other one. I'm gonna show you Bolt. Bolt right now, I will say it's a little bit better. It's more expensive though. I have a friend, my tech guy actually. He liked it a lot, but it was difficult because it's pretty buggy still. Lovable is still buggy too. But the thing is, you need to think in the future here. Like right now, you can do this whole websites in less, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. Like it's just the time that the AI takes to create this thing. I'm gonna just create another one here with Bolt and show it to you, so I can just compare you the results. But you need to think in the future. Like the experience my tech guy had with Bolt was like it was super bug, it was really buggy, really like full of bugs, whatever. But it was like he was amazed. He would look at that. He used to spend like 100 hours, 150 hours making a whole website. My tech guy was doing a pretty freaky website and with animations, all this cool stuff with 3D design and everything. It requires a level of design way higher, you know? But for making websites like plumbing businesses or I don't know, just a barber where people go and you just cut your hair, they need simple websites. Hey, couple pictures, your services, whatever, book a call here. That's it. That's it. Okay. Well, apparently there was an error in the code, but I just put fixed and hope it's fixing the whole thing. There we go. Okay, we're testing the things together here. Right now, Lovable is still making the thing. Bolt is done. And look at this. Unbelievable, right? Plumbing solutions you can trust for over 10 years. I mean, this is amazing. I just put a prompt. That's it. Look at that. Professional services, emergency. Oh my God, this is so good. So you got even reviews. Oh my God. And you put, look, you got services, you got about us, testimonials, contact. And I assume here you can call. Yes. Wow. I don't know. This is unbelievable. Like I'm telling you guys, you can sell this thing. I would say this design, $2,000, $2,000 with a monthly fee of 200 per month, 150 for a simple website. Hell yeah. Let's check how Lovable is doing. It's still doing the stuff. Well, apparently, Bolt just kicked the ass of Lovable by speed. We'll see in design terms. I'll be right back when it's done. All right, guys, Lovable is done. Let's see it. Looks pretty sick. Plumbing solutions you can trust for over 10 years. I like it. I like it. I feel the overall aesthetic, I prefer Bolt though. I don't know why. You got testimonials too. Okay. Hey, this is pretty solid though. Really good. Let me check. Does it work? Yes. About us, testimonials, contact, request service. Look at that. You can send an email. Pretty cool. It looks okay. This is Lovable. This is Bolt. Yeah, it's like black and white. All right, guys. I didn't know that. Bolt apparently is better with simple prompts. I hear that Lovable was getting there. I don't think it is. I still think Bolt is better. Yeah, like 100%. Look at this. I feel this one you could sell it around $2,000. This one feels more old, I feel. So maybe $1,000, I don't know. Thank you for watching the video. I told you it was gonna be quick. If you like it, make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel. If you decide to stick with this software, well, they're amazing. You already have the product, but you still need to get the clients. And if you're wondering how to get more leads for free with an automation without you lifting a single finger, go check this video.